Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. So in today's makeup lesson, I'm going to be going through the fox eye trend. I did a similar video to this a couple of weeks ago and you guys loved it, so I wanted to do a more daytime version of the look because I think it's really flattering. It really elongates and lifts the eyes. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. For this lesson, you're going to need 3 different eyeshadows: your mid-tone, your transitional shade, a nice shimmer shade for the lid, I went for bronze, and then a dark brown eyeshadow. You could also opt for black as well, but I went for brown as it's softer for daytime. You'll need a blending brush, a pencil brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, and also an angle brush or some type of liner brush that you find easiest to use. You'll need a nude liner for the waterline, mascara or lashes, and I'm also going to show you a trick with some concealer, so just keep on watching. So step 1, we're going to apply our transitional shade. So you're going to hold your brush at the end of the handle. You're going to blend this eyeshadow back and forth across the crease of the eye, which is the area just above the top of your eyeball, right in the middle of the eye. You're blending it back and forth and then swirling the brush up towards the brow bone. Then you can go in with your shimmer shade. I just opted for a nice bronzy shade and I just popped this all over the lid of the eye. Now you want to create your wing. You want to use your lower lash line and the end of your brow as a guide, and you want to create the wing kind of outwards so it elongates the eye. I spritzed my brush with a little bit of setting spray and then dipped into the brown eyeshadow. So this gives you more of a liner effect and it makes the eyeshadow easier to apply as well, it makes it more defined. So I'm just kind of lining out my wing first, again using my lower lash line and the end of my brow as a guide. And the great thing about using eyeshadow is that it's so easy to clean up and it's not as hard to remove as a normal liner would. And then just very gently just tap the eyeshadow in until you get to the inner corner, and then bring the point out slightly more to give the liner more of a cat eye elongated appearance. And you can go back and fix this up until you're happy with the shape of the liner. Then you want to go back with your pencil brush and you want to start smoldering it out. So the great thing about the cat eye is that it looks very natural and sultry, so you want to just keep blending it out. And then I'm just blending a tiny little bit more of the whatever is on my pencil brush and just bringing it down to the lower lash line. You want to keep the lower lash line quite bare to lift and elongate the eyes. So just give a quick sweep from the outer to inner corner, keeping it quite close to the lash line. And a quick tip to clean up your liner is to take a little bit of concealer and just bring it up underneath your wing and then blend it out with a sponge. It helps if you have a flat sponge like this because you can literally just bring it down to blend it out and it doesn't affect your liner and it just really sharpens it out. Another option is to use a shadow shield, or you could also take a little cotton bud with a bit of makeup remover and you can clean it up that way. And then you can finish off with your mascara, lashes, and I like to add a nude liner in the waterline because this is going to really open up your eyes instead of using a black liner. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson. I absolutely adore this look. I think it's so pretty. It's perfect for daytime. It just adds a little something something. You could also wear it with a red lip or plum lip in the autumn, and it just really just lifts, elongates the eyes and just gives you a really smoldering, sexy look. I just love it so much. So I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. And my question to you is, what tip did you find most valuable from this video? I really hope I get to see you in my next makeup lesson. Bye!